Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Raka Adli Pribadi. I'm from Trisakti Institute of Transportation and Logistic. This time I would like to present to you about supply chain finance. What is supply chain finance? Supply chain finance is a financial tool that allows business to optimize their working capital by providing financial options to suppliers and buyers in supply chain. This can be done through various methods such as reverse factoring, dynamic discounting, and buyer-led finance. By utilizing supply chain finance, businesses can improve their cash flow, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. For example, let's say a large retailer wants to pay its suppliers earlier than the agreed upon payment terms. The retailers can use supply chain finance to provide early payment to the supplier while still maintaining its own cash flow. This benefits both parties involved as the suppliers get paid earlier and the retailers can negotiate better terms with its suppliers due to improved relationship. The importance of supply chain finance. Supply chain finance is a crucial tool for businesses of all sizes. Not only does it improve cash flow and reduce risk, but it also strengthens relationship between suppliers and buyers. According to a recent study, companies that implement supply chain finance solution can reduce their financing costs by up to 20%. This translates into significant savings and increased profitability. In addition, supply chain finance can help small and medium-sized enterprises access affordable financing. SME often struggle to obtaining financing from traditional sources due to their size of lack collateral. However, through supply chain finance, they can leverage their relationship with larger buyers to secure financing at lower rates. For example, a survey found that 70% of SME in UK have used supply chain finance to improve their cash flow. The supply chain finance framework is a strategic approach that helps businesses optimize their cash flow by leveraging the relationship between suppliers and buyers. It involves a set of financial instruments and techniques that enable suppliers to access affordable financing while providing buyers with extended payment terms. The key components of the supply chain finance framework include supplier finance, buyer-led finance, reverse factoring, and dynamic discounting. Supplier finance allows suppliers to obtain financing based on their invoice, while buyer-led finance providing financing to suppliers through their buyers' credit worthiness. Reverse factoring involves a third-party financier paying the supplier upfront, while dynamic discounting enables suppliers to offer discount to buyers who pay early. Supplier finance is a type of supply chain finance that allows suppliers to receive payment for their goods or services earlier than agreed upon payment terms. This is typically done through a third-party financial institution that provides financing to suppliers based on creditworthiness of buyer. By receiving payment earlier, suppliers can improve their cash flow and reduce their reliance on expensive short-term financing options. One real-world example of supplier finance in action is Walmart Supply Chain Finance Program. Through this program, Walmart offers its suppliers the option to get paid early for their invoices at discount rate. This benefits both Walmart and suppliers. A supplier can receive payment sooner and Walmart can negotiate better payment terms with supplier. Buyer-led finance is financing arrangement in which the buyers of goods or services provides financing to its suppliers. This type of financing allows buyers to improve their supply chain by providing their suppliers with access to more affordable financing. One of the main benefits of buyer-led finance is that it can help buyers to reduce their supply chain risk. By providing financial to their suppliers, buyers can ensure that their suppliers are financially stable and able to deliver the goods or services they need. This can help to prevent supply chain disruption and delays. which can be costly for both buyers and suppliers. Reverse factoring, also known as supply chain finance, is a financing solution that allows suppliers to receive early payment for their invoices at discount rate. This benefit both supplier and buyer, as supplier get paid faster and buyer can extend their payment terms. For example, let's say supplier has invoice due to 90 days, but they need cash sooner. With reverse factoring, the supplier can sell the invoice to a financial institution at a discount and receive payment within a few days. The financial institution then collect the full amount from the buyers when the invoice is due. This allows the supplier to improve their cash flow and reduce risk of late payment or non-payment. Dynamic discounting is a financing solution that allows suppliers to receive early payment for their invoices at a discount rate. The discount is determined by the buyer and is based on the payment terms agreed upon in the contract. This means that suppliers can get paid faster while buyers can benefit from a discount on their purchases. One real-world example of dynamic discounting is Procter & Gamble's program, which offers its suppliers the option to receive payment within 15 days of invoice approval at a discount rate of 0.5%. This has allowed P&G to improve its working capital management while also providing benefits to its suppliers. SPF Platform are a digital platform that connects business, suppliers, and financing institutions to facilitate supply chain finance. This platform provides a centralized location for all parties to manage their financing needs, from invoice tracking to payment processing. One of the key benefits of SPF Platform is increased transparency and efficiency in the supply chain finance process. By automating many of the manual processes involved in traditional supply chain finance, SPF Platform can reduce processing times and costs while improving accuracy and visibility. Additionally, this platform often offers access to a wider range of financing options, including alternative lenders and fintech companies. Supply chain finance benefits suppliers by offering affordable financing, improving cash flow, reducing reliance on costly loans, and facilitating business growth. It also benefits buyers by optimizing working capital, mitigating supply chain risk, and strengthening supplier relationships. A recent survey by Global Supply Chain Finance Forum showed that 97% of respondents experienced positive impact from supply chain finance. Additionally, 80% of buyers were able to expand payments and 70% of buyers extend payment terms without harming suppliers, showcasing the advantage of businesses of all sizes. While supply chain offers numerous benefits, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. Implementation can be challenging due to need for collaboration and trust between suppliers and buyers. Some suppliers may not meet the necessary requirements, such as credit rating or financial stability. A disadvantage is the potential dependency on the buyers or financing, restricting access to alternative sources and limiting financial control. Furthermore, if the buyer faces financial difficulties, it could impact the supplier's ability to receive financing through the program. One of the biggest challenges in implementing supply chain finance is the lack of awareness and understanding among suppliers and buyers. Many companies are not familiar with the concept of supply chain finance and may be hesitant to adopt it. In addition, there may be lack of trust between suppliers and buyers, which can make it difficult to establish a successful supply chain finance program. Another challenge is the complexity of supply chain finance program. This program often involves multiple parties, including banks, suppliers, buyers, and other intermediaries. Coordinating these parties and ensuring that everyone is on the same page can be a daunting task. Additionally, there may be legal and regulatory hurdles that must be overcome in order to implement a successful supply chain finance program. Multinational manufacturing companies that has implemented supply chain finance to great success. By partnering with a leading SPF platform, the company was able to optimize its working capital and improve cash flow, while also providing its suppliers with faster access to financing. This only strengthened the relationship between the company and its suppliers, but also helped the supply chain risk. One of the key benefits of this SPF program was the ability to offer dynamic discounting to suppliers, allowing them to receive early payment in exchange for a small discount on their invoices. This helped to incentivize suppliers to participate in the program and providing them with an attractive alternative to traditional financing option. As a result, the company was able to increase suppliers' participation and improve overall supply chain efficiency. In conclusion, supply chain finance is a vital tool for businesses of all sizes. By providing access to affordable financing options, it helps suppliers improve their cash flow and reduce the risk of supply chain disruption. At the same time, buyers benefit from improved suppliers' relationship and greater visibility into their supply chain. Throughout this presentation, we have explored the different components of supply chain finance, including supply chain finance, buyer-led finance, reverse factoring, dynamic discounting, and SPF platform. We have also discussed the benefit of supply chain finance, such as improving working capital, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. However, we must also acknowledge the challenges that come with implementing supply chain finance and the need for best practices to ensure success.